So, how to create a Fiverr account? Making an account on Fiverr is not a difficult process. There are few simple steps that you perform to sign up on this platform. These steps are: step first, open your internet browser and type fiverr.com into your browser's address bar and press enter. You will see Fiverr's website in front of you. Step second, click the join button at the top right. Step 3, you will see a pop up containing the sign up form. Enter the email address that you want to use for your Fiverr account. You can also sign up with your Facebook or Google account, but I would suggest you better use your email address. After typing your email address, click the continue button. Step 4, now you will be prompted to create a username and password. There will be a green check mark next to each box when you select an available username and password. While choosing a username for your Fiverr account, don't use any random name. Go for a professional username. If you are planning to create an account on Fiverr for your company or agency, insert the proper name of your company and agency. Then click the join button. Step 5, you will need to verify your email address for activating your account. Open your email inbox and click the activate your account button. When you will click this button, your account will be activated and you will get access to your Fiverr account. How to set up Fiverr profile? When you sign up on Fiverr, you are a buyer by default. There are some steps you have to follow for turning your buyer account to a seller account. Follow the below steps to set up a professional seller profile on Fiverr. Step first, once your account is activated, you will be directed to the home page of Fiverr. Step second, click the Become a Seller button on the top right for becoming a seller on Fiverr. It will open the seller's page. Step third, click the Become a Seller button in the middle of the page. Step 4, in this picture, you can see the steps that you will have to perform for becoming a seller on Fiverr. Then click the Continue button. Step 5, read the do's and don'ts here and click the Continue button. Step 6, now read about the Fiverr policies here and click the Continue button again. Step 7, after completing the first step, click the Continue button to start creating your seller profile. Steps to create seller profile. There are 4 sections here: personal info, professional info, linked accounts, account security. Now, add personal information. Step first, add your full name. Just make sure that you enter your original name to legally start selling services on Fiverr. It's kept personal, it's kept private on your profile. Add your profile picture by selecting the one from your computer. Use your original picture here. Never use your images that you don't have copyrights for, because everyone can see your profile picture on Fiverr. Step second, write a catchy and impressive description defining your experience and the services you're offering on Fiverr. You can write 600 characters max, including letters, spaces, and punctuation. Writing a good description is very important for your profile, so that don't take this step for granted. Next, add your language skills and your proficiency in that language. Click the continue button. Fill out your professional info. Step first, select your professional occupation from the drop down menu and choose the time period for your occupation. Next, select the categories for the services you want to sell on Fiverr. Step second, add your skills and dedication. It does not matter if your degree does not relate to the services you are offering on Fiverr. Add it because it's good to let people know that you hold a certain degree. Step 3, add your certificates and personal website. If you don't have any certificates or a personal website, you can leave these fields empty. After adding all the information, click the continue button. Connect social media accounts. Link your Google account, Facebook, and Twitter by clicking the connect button to the social media account. Once you have connected accounts, click continue. Secure your account. Add your email and phone number to verify them for securing your account. Next, click the finish button. It will create your professional seller profile on Fiverr. That's all. Thank you so much.